Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are back here inside of the how to make a raise a flopper type series over here guys. This part we will be making the roommate over here where we can raise and give, well, receive rent from the roommate over here guys. This one's going to be very big episode for you all guys. We've got a lot of stuff to do over here, and to be fair, we're actually nearing the end of the series. We've only got a few more stuff left to do before you guys can really just do the rest yourself. For example, I've already shown you guys how to add upgrades, but we are going to be adding the doors and stuff later on where you guys can get outside, which is going to be quite cool. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it now. But first, before I go on into any of that, I first need to go in and tell you a little bit about RBLXcodes.com, which is my own Roblox code website where you can find out game codes, music codes, and guides. There is tons of stuff in there that you guys have to check out. Overall, we give codes for over 1,000 Roblox games, so if you guys need a code for a game, it will be there. Anyway guys, I guess let's just go ahead and get on into this video now. So guys, what are we going to go in and do over here? Well, we're going to quickly go to the toolbox, and what I'm going to go in and do right now guys, in models over here, I'm just going to simply just get a sitting noob, because we are going to need one to sit in the surface. I'm just going to get this one over here guys. There we go. It includes one script. What I'd recommend doing guys, just delete the script out. You don't really want scripts and stuff, because some of them guys are a little bit dodgy. Anyway, moving on from there, we also kind of want a sofa too, so let's quickly get a sofa. That's a safe. There we go guys. That's not a sofa, that's a sofa. There we go guys. We've got a sofa over here. Let's put that in, and we're also going to put in TV as well guys, so you have that nice little setup over here. I don't really want a actual working TV guys, because these are probably going to contain scripts. There we go guys, wall mount TV. Okay, here we go. We got our furniture over here. Let's quickly put this into the game. It's not really too important, this stuff, but I mean, I guess it's kind of what the roommate's all about. Let's quickly place that. Okay, that's definitely not what I was trying to move. Let's just place that in the wall over there guys. Okay, and then let's get the sofa. Here we go. Let's put this in here right now guys. There we go. We've got that over there, and then we are going to put our noob on the sofa. So let's quickly do this, and then our noob is going to be here, rotated, and then let's just put this back on the sofa right now guys. Here we go. Okay, so now guys, we have our noob facing the TV right now guys, which is pretty nice. What we need to do next is inside the noob and inside the head, what we are going to go ahead and do over here is click on add. Well, we're going to add a right there's the add button. We're going to add dialogue over here guys, so add some dialogue. Then guys, what we want to do here is, for the dialogue, what we are going to do is do initial prompt is going to be need something, or any opening line you guys really want, to be honest. I don't know why I put a capital S. Need something, just for there guys. Also, if you're having any issues with this, and if you guys want to receive one-to-one help from me, or maybe just download this exact Roblox studio file, you can do so, and that's on my Patreon account. Anyway guys, there we go, got a dialogue over here started out. Then guys, we are going to add a dialogue choice. Our first choice is going to be the choice give rent, so name that give rent guys. And what we are going to go ahead and do over here right now is, inside of the user dialogue, we are going to do give sorry guys, give me rent. The reason why we are not going to change the response dialogue just yet is because we're going to actually manipulate that with a script guys, as sometimes we're going to be given the rent and sometimes we're not. Then I'm just going to simply add a bool value inside of the give rent, and I'm just going to simply call this already paid, and I'm going to set this to true guys. If you want your rent to be awarded straight away as soon as the person gets a roommate, or if well, just leave this blank. If you guys want to wait a day before the roommate can start giving out rent, then turn this on. Anyway guys, I want to turn that on. Then inside of this, I'm also going to add another choice right now. This one is going to be the choice to raise rent, so I'm going to put raise rent in there. And then guys, we want to add, for the user dialogue, I'm going to do I'm raising, right, I'm not typing, I'm raising your rent. There we go guys, so we're going to put that in there. And then under this, we're going to add another bool value, and this one is just going to simply be called raised, just for here guys. And I'm going to turn that on over there guys. Okay, so now that we have that right now, that is sorted. So we've got a noob sorted out, our sofa and TV right now guys. So that's the first main thing. Okay, for our second thing over here guys, what we kind of want to do here is actually add the upgrades, which are going to allow us to do this. So first things first, what I'm going to go ahead and do is, if we go to the upgrade saver script, we want to actually add 2 different upgrades over here guys. So let me quickly show you guys how to do this right now. Okay, what we are going to go ahead and do here is add 2 new upgrades. So we're going to add upgrade 2 and 3. Just going to copy and paste these out. There we go, guys. So upgrade 2 here. Let's do that. And the upgrade 2 is just going to be simply roommate. Just over here, guys. And then we have update 3. That's just going to be our rent level. Just over here, guys, so we can save what level our rent has been raised to. Anyway, guys, okay, so now that we have these 3, we also kind of want to copy and paste this out so that we can actually load this data in. 2 and 3 over there, guys. I'm just going to put 2 and 3. There we go, guys. Okay, so now we have our upgrades sorted, guys, so we can now start working on other things. We actually want to have the ability to buy this roommate, and normally, guys, in the game it's free, so we are just going to do the same thing over there. So what I'm going to go in and do, instead of starter GUI and instead of the screen GUI, I'm just going to quickly make the shop visible. And what we are going to do here, we're just going to copy and paste one of these right now, guys. I'll just copy and paste the food one, and we are going to change this. So what we're going to do is name this roommate, exactly the same as the upgrade, remember, guys. Then for the buy button, we want to open this up, and instead of 50, because our roommate's price is going to be free, we're going to put that to 0, or put it out whatever price you guys really want to. Anyway, next for the description, I'm just going to put something like, this gives you rent, something like that over there, guys. It doesn't matter what you put for the description. Anyway, for the name, I'm just going to put this roommate just over here, guys. And price, our price is going to be free, so I'm going to put free over here. Okay, there we go, guys. Got that sorted out. Then what I'm going to quickly do is, well, before I was looking on the toolbox for some like noob head images, and I found one, so I'm just going to put that in there, guys. Again, you can put whatever asset ID you guys, image ID, sorry, you guys want in there. So yeah, guys, there we go. We got this this new thing right now, which is awesome. And what I'm going to simply do over here is just test if this is working. So I'm going to make this invisible, and then we are going to simply join our game right now, guys. And then after that, actually, guys, no, we're going to do what I'm going to quickly do here is this. We're going to quickly put our noob in the replicate storage, guys, just for one little bit later on. Okay, so what we're gonna quickly do right now, guys, is just see if this is working. It should be working. We're gonna open up in the players or upgrades folder, and then we have the roommate folder right now, guys. So currently it's on 0. I must have accidentally moved the TV as well with it, guys, but if I buy this, right, okay, never mind. I know why, guys, because I accidentally duplicated the food one, and that's different to the other upgrade. So yeah, let me quickly do this right now, guys. Wait 1 second. Was I looking? Right, okay, never mind. Apparently I've got this on the wrong wall. I didn't realize that, guys. Okay, so apparently our sofa and stuff's on the wrong wall, which is great, but hey, who cares, guys? Okay, so it's on that wall apparently. Anyway, yeah, guys, sorry about that. We need to quickly change this, just change out the script over here, guys, because that was accidentally the buy food one. I forgot. You probably don't really want to, I'm just gonna replace this with buy upgrade over here, guys. Yeah, apologies about that. Anyway, okay, let's open this up and let's paste that in there. There we go, guys. I'm gonna set the price to 0 right now, so hopefully, guys, this is gonna be working over here. Again, I'm gonna quickly make this, no, never mind, I didn't even put it visible, guys. Okay, anyway, let's quickly jump on into the game right now, and then hopefully this time it's gonna work. I was wondering for a second there where my TV was, but as you can see over here, we've got a noob with the choices right now, guys, over here, which is really nice. It's not replying because we haven't made that yet. Anyway, guys, if you open up the shop, and also if you quickly get our things open, now hopefully our rent, not our rent level, our roommate thing will go up. So if you buy this, as you can see right now, guys, our roommate's on 1. But what we are gonna quickly do right now, guys, is this. So I am gonna put our noob inside of replicated storage. So guys, if you do not have the upgrade, but what we're going to do is that the roommate's not going to be here, because of course, if you don't have an upgrade bought, you don't really want the roommate to be in your house, and when the upgrade does get bought, the roommate is going to appear. How exactly are we going to go ahead and do that right now, guys? Well, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do this. What we're going to do is create a new script inside of service script service, and I'm going to call this script roommate giver. Just over here, guys. Okay, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna do local replicated storage is equal to game get service replicated storage. Then we are gonna do local noob is equal to replicated storage wait for child noob. After that, we are gonna do game dot players dot player added player added. There we go. Connect function, and then we're going to put the player in here. After that, guys, we want to do local upgrades folder. It's going to be equal to player, wait for child, and then upgrades. Over here, feel free at any point into this video to pause it if I am going too fast, guys. Then we're going to do local roommate is equal to upgrades folder, wait for child, and then roommate just over here, guys. Make sure you put that exactly what you guys called it. Then we are going to do if roommate.value is equal to 1. Then that means if the roommate has been bought, then we are going to do local new noob is equal to noob clone. Then we are going to do new noob.parent, and that's going to be equal to the workspace. Next, guys, we are going to do this. We're going to do roommate.change. That means whenever like it gets bought, of course, and because the value is going to change, guys, this is going to run. So connect function. After that, guys, we are going to do here, copy and paste this in. So now, guys, when we buy this, so our roommate isn't here, but we have 1 inside of our roommate value. So our roommate will be replicated over here to the sofa right now, guys. So when we join on, and as you can see over here, our roommate's now appeared, which is awesome. Okay, so now that we have that bit over here, what we're gonna go in and do next is a few different things. Okay, guys, so pretty much what we are gonna quickly do is so we've got a couple of stuff that we need to do. First things first, guys, we're gonna do this. So we are gonna do inside of, where is it, inside changing stats and changing age, we are gonna change like the recently paid and stuff values for the roommate, guys. So what you're gonna do, if workspace find first child and then noob, then so pretty much what we are doing here, guys, we are checking if well, whenever this age is up, we're checking if there is a noob in the workspace. If there is, guys, then we are gonna do local noob is equal to workspace, wait for child, noob. Then we will do local dialogue is equal to noob, wait for child, then head, and then we're gonna do dot dialogue, dialogue just over here, guys. And then we are gonna do local already paid is equal to dialogue, wait for child, wait for child, and then, guys, we are gonna do give rent, because that's what we named the value, and then give rent dot already paid just over here, guys. Then we are gonna pretty much do the same thing, but we're gonna do local raised is equal to dialogue, wait for child, wait for child, if I can actually type properly, for child, and then we are gonna do raise rent. Wait, actually, did we no, sorry, guys, yeah, raise rent and then dot raised over here right now, guys. Then every day that passes in the game, we are gonna then reset them values so they can now be changed again. For example, now they can raise the rent again and they can collect the rent again. So we're gonna do already paid dot value, and that's gonna be equal to false. Then we are gonna do raised dot value, and that's gonna be equal to false too. So just to show you guys this working, we're going to temporarily change the age change one to every 10 seconds, I guess, guys. And I'm going to show you this working during the game right now. So if we quickly hop on in and go into our noob, as you can see in our give rent, already paid and raised thing, it is currently true right now, guys. But in a few seconds time, these are going to be changed to false, because technically a day would have passed even though it kind of hasn't. One second, guys. Yep, I know why. It's because we've accidentally forgot to put a capital N, which is brilliant. Anyway, guys, okay, let's quickly try this out. It'd be nice if I could get this right first time. Okay, capital N. 1 second. There we finally go. Okay, after that, let's try this again. Okay, guys, so let's hop on in and let's hopefully see this working right now. So let's open this up. We got our noob over here. We have our head and then dialogue, and then these two values. So again, guys, these two values are currently true, and as you can see right now, guys, technically a day has passed and now they are false. So that's now working over there. But I'm going to quickly reset back the age change one to 300 seconds because we don't want one day lasting 10 seconds, of course, guys. Anyway, okay, so now that we have this working, the change age working, that's fine. What we are gonna do next, so we've got the roommate giver. We are gonna go ahead and do this right now, guys. So pretty much what we want to do is inside of, we'll do start player script. We're going to do a new script, and I'm going to call this dialogue handler just over here, guys. So what we're going to do is this. Actually, first things first, guys, let's quickly go to the workspace, because we are going to, sorry, the replicator storage, because we are going to need this in a second. In remote events, guys, we're going to add a new remote event, and I'm just going to call this NPC event just over here, guys, or roommate event, whatever you guys want to call it. Anyway, guys, in the dialogue handler, what we're going to do is this. We're going to do local replicated storage is equal to game get service, then replicated storage. After that, guys, we're going to do local NPC event is equal to replicated storage, wait for child, and of course remote events, and then dot NPC event. After that, guys, we're going to do local players is equal to game get service players. Then we will do local player is equal to players, sorry, that's plugin players dot local player. After that, guys, we are going to do local roommate is equal to player wait for child upgrades. Then we are going to do wait for child and then roommate. So we are just getting the roommate value in the upgrades folder right now, guys. Then we are going to do this. We're going to do if workspace find first child noob, so kind of like what we were doing before. So we are checking if the noob's actually in the game. Then we are going to now change up their dialogue. So we're going to do local NPC dialogue is equal to workspace wait for child. Then we're going to put the noob in here. After that, guys, we're going to do wait for child, and then we're going to put the head of the noob, and then we're going to do wait for child and put the dialogue in there too, guys. Okay, now that we have that, we are going to do this. So we're going to do NPC dialogue dot dialogue choice selected connect, and then we're going to put function in here, and inside this, guys, we want to put in the choice over here right now, guys. So we're going to put the choice in there. Okay, now that we've done this, we are going to do if choice dot name is equal to give rent. Then, so pretty much, guys, what we are doing, whenever the player selects an option on the dialogue, for example, raise my rent, this is now going to see, like, for example, the choice is the option that they picked. If they picked that one, then it would, because the choice name is called give rent, it would put this one in, guys, even though they picked give me, like, raise my, give me my rent, if you guys get what I mean. Anyway, we're going to do if choice, wait for child, then we're going to do already paid, dot value is equal to false. Then, so what we are doing here, guys, we are checking if it's okay for us to actually give the rent to the player if they haven't actually already claimed up the rent recently. So we're going to do choice dot response dialogue is equal to okay with an exclamation mark at the end, guys. Then we're going to actually fire the NPC event, guys. We're going to do NPC event fire server, and then we're going to put in the choice dot name, just so we can see later on, guys, what choice we're like changing this for, if you guys got what I mean. Anyway, guys, then we're going to do else, and we're just going to simply put the choice dot response dialogue to wait until tomorrow over there, guys. So yeah, that's what our choice dialogue is going to be right now. You know, guys, let's quickly test this out, I guess, guys. It might not come, actually no, it will work. Okay, let's quickly test this out right now, and let's look at this working right now, which is going to be awesome. So normally before it just had dots because we didn't actually have a thing, but give me rent over here, guys. 1 second. Infinite upgrades wait for child roommate. Have I 1 second, have I somehow named this wrong? 1 second. Upgrades server roommate. 1 second, guys, let me quickly see this right now. Have I accidentally put, never mind, guys, it's because I put 3 M's. I'm so dumb right now, guys. Okay, anyway, now that we have this hopefully sorted, let's try this again. Okay, need something, then we're gonna do give me rent, and now it's gonna say no, apparently not. It's not gonna say anything. Okay, guys, wait, we'll check that out. We'll check that out later on, guys. Do not worry about that. Anyway, guys, okay, here we go. Let's resume this. I can't speak today, guys. Maybe it's because already paid is actually true. I'm not too sure, guys. Anyway, we'll figure that out later. Anyway, what we're gonna do right now, guys, is this. We're gonna do sorry, else if, then we're going to do choice.name. Choice.name is equal to raise rent. Then we will do if choice wait for child, then we're going to do raised dot value is equal to false. Then so we're pretty much doing the same thing as last time, and then we can just literally copy and paste this in, and then we're going to do else, and then we will put in the choice.response dialog to we'll do something like I can't raise rent right now. Okay, we'll put it something like that. So pretty much, guys, now we have like the responses to whenever they do this, guys. For our final thing, we actually want to do the thing that's going to allow us to increase the rent like level, and also the money that we get from the rent, guys. So I'm just going to put here NPC handler, something like that over there, guys. So we're going to do this. We're going to do local replicate. To be fair, guys, we don't even need to do this in the dialogue handler. Just copy and paste these two lines, and that'll be sorted. Then we're going to do NPC event dot on server event connect function. After that, guys, we're going to put the player and also the event type in there, guys. Okay, now that we have this, we are going to enter it down the line, and now we can start. So we're going to do here local leader stats is equal to player wait for child and then leader stats. After that, guys, we are going to do local cash, and that's going to be equal to leader stats wait for child cash. Cash is with capital, I'm pretty sure. Then we're going to do local upgrades is equal to player wait for child and then upgrades. After that, guys, we will do here local rent level, and that's going to be equal to upgrades wait for child and then rent level. Just over here, guys. Finally, we are going to do this. We're going to do local rent amount, and pretty much, guys, we're going to set this equal to 100, and then to the power of rent level dot value. This is just going to help us exponentially increase this over time, so it's good. It's actually worth it for the player. Also, guys, I quickly thought on the upgrade server, we actually do need to put upgrade 3 dot value, and that's going to be set to 1, just because, guys, if we did times this, well, 100 times rent level to the 100 to the power of 0, because if our rent level was 0, guys, that would just return 1 over there, which is not really a good amount of rent over here, guys. So yeah, we are just gonna start this off at 1. I'm just gonna put test 5 because it wouldn't save us 1 because it already saved the value as 0, if you guys get what I mean. Anyway, guys, okay, so we got this right now. What we're gonna do is this. We're gonna do if event type is equal to give rent, then we are gonna check here. Well, sorry, guys, we're gonna do cash dot value is equal to cash dot value plus the rent amount. Then, guys, we're gonna do else if event type is equal to raise rent. Then we are gonna do here rent level dot value, and that's going to be equal to rent level dot value plus 1. Okay, guys, this should hopefully be all working. It's probably going to be like one or two things that don't work, knowing me, guys. Probably misspelled someone or something, guys. Okay, anyway, let's check this out. So this is going to be completely from scratch, testing this out over here, guys. So we're going to buy our roommate. Our roommate's now going to spawn in. We can speak to our roommate over here, guys. We're going to say need something. Will also give me rent. Hopefully it's going to return a value. It's apparently not. Okay, brilliant, guys. We'll see why that's the case later on. Anyway, guys, moving on, we will also try the other option. So we are going to do here need something, and we're going to do I'm raising the rent. Is this going to work? No, it's not, guys. Let me quickly figure out what's going wrong here. Never mind, guys, I remembered what I have actually done wrong over here. I know why. We pretty much need to do this, and we need to do roommate dot value. So we're gonna do roommate dot changed connect function. I forgot to actually add this bit in, guys. I already had made this before, but me being me, I forgot that I made this, guys. But we are pretty much gonna do this. So whenever the roommate value thing gets changed, guys. So for example, when it goes to 0 to 1, we are then gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and do this, guys. So pretty much now it will work, as before it didn't actually know that there was a noob in the game, because it does take a little while for it to change. Anyway guys, okay, here it should be working. So we're going to do give me your rent. It's going to say brilliantly nothing. Let me see what I'm doing wrong over here, guys. I must be doing something wrong. Actually guys, I think I know why. I think it's because I actually got to put the player in here. I'm pretty sure now it hopefully should be working. Let's quickly test this out right now. Okay, so third time lucky. Okay, need something. Give me rent, please, please, please. Yes, finally, guys. Okay, wait until tomorrow. There we go, guys. We're also going to try the other one, and then we are going to make the other values false. So now we can actually raise the rent level and also get rent, guys. So I'm going to do, I'm raising your rent, and it's going to say, I can't raise rent right now. Okay, this is good right now, guys. Okay, after that, we are going to do this. So we are going to, in the noob, we're going to set these two values to false right now so we can actually change them. And let me show you guys this. So we are now going to open up our upgrades folder, because first things first, we are actually going to increase the rent level. Currently, guys, it's 1. We are going to do, I'm raising the rent, and it's going to say, okay, now guys, you can see our rent level is 2. So guys, because it's I think 100 to the power of 2, now guys, it is pretty much going to give us like 10,000 rent. So give me rent, it's going to go in and give us 10,000 over there, guys. As you can see, that's it, fully working for you all, guys. Quite a big episode for you all here. If you guys do need any help, then feel free to go ahead and join my Patreon, where you can again download this exact Roblox studio file. But I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to show some support, and peace out.